Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Learning. Today we are looking at dictionaries and we are going to type in a simple example of a dictionary about car. We are going to set some information about the car. We're going to set the color of the car and the points. We are going to print the dictionary. When you execute, you can see it has executed the color and the points of the car. The next we are going to be accessing values in our dictionaries. And if you need to execute to access values in a dictionaries, you must give the name of the dictionary and then place the key inside the square brackets. In our case, you can see our dictionary is car and the key is color and points. You can see it has executed green and 9. The next I'm going to be adding new key values in our dictionaries. Adding new key value pair in a dictionary. Let's say you are making a game. You can set the car at X position to be 0 and the car at Y position to be 25. And when you print the dictionary, you can see we have added some information about the car. The next are going to be, let's modify the values in our dictionary. Let's modify values in a dictionary. We're going to modify the value in the dictionary. Let's give the name of the dictionary with the key in a square brackets and then the new value we want to be associated. The new value is the yellow. You can see it has executed. Our original value is green and the new value is yellow. The next we are going to be removing key value pair in a dictionary, and we are going to use the del statement completely remove a key value pair. And first you must give the dictionary and the key value. You can see we have removed the points by use of del statement. The next are going to be looping all key value pair in a dictionary. We're going to use a for loop to loop through our key values. Let's say you must give the key and the value in a dictionary and use the item method. And are going to print the key, then you type in key, the value, and then add the value. Let's change our point to be type and Audi. When we print, you can see it has executed the key and the value. You can still use the next line and arrange them in order. You can arrange them in order. The next are going to be looping through all keys in a dictionary. And we're going to use the key method, which is useful when you don't need to work with all values in a dictionary. You can see we are only loop the keys, and the keys is the color and the type. The next, let's loop the values. You can see the values is green and Audi. Let's use sorted to sort them in alphabetical order. You can see Audi and green, you have sorted them in alphabetical order. The next are going to be nesting. You're going to set a collection of information, either a list in a dictionary, of a list of a dictionary, or a dictionary in a dictionary. Let's start by a list of a dictionary. We're going to set some information about the student, about different student. Going to set the name of the first student, and we are going to give the name and the value. The key in our first student is name, and the value is Sarah, and the next one is and 65. Again to paste the first student and change the values of each student, the score. I'm going to change the name, score. We're going to let's make a list. Let's make a list of a dictionary. In our case, our list will be the student, the first student, second student, and the third student. Let's loop our students using a for loop and print each student information. You can see Python has executed each student information. The next we're going to look on list in a dictionary. We're going to be putting list in a dictionary. Let's make a dictionary of pizza. In our case, the first information is crest, and we're going to put a value, and the next information is about the toppings of the pizza. I've added some information about the pizza, the toppings, different toppings, and we're going to use a for loop. We're going to say for topping in pizza, and we're going to set the king for pizza toppings to print topping. When you execute, you can see the mushroom and extra cheese. It has been executed. The next we're going to make a dictionary in a dictionary. In our case, let's use names, and the key here of names, I'm going to set I'm going to set an information about a person. Our first name is Brown, and the next information about John. I'm going to set the first name of Brown, last name, and the location of each person. We're going to loop using the for loop through the dictionary. Let's print the username. The username here will print the name of each person of Brown and John. And let's combine full name. They're going to use the first name and add last name, and the location of each person. And let's print the full name and location. Use a tag location and the location of each person. Let's execute. You can see